Hello and welcome to our video on the economics of drug cartels. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the financial aspect of one of the most notorious illegal organizations in the world. Drug cartels have become synonymous with violence, corruption, and organized crime. But beyond the headlines, there's a complex and lucrative business operating in the shadows. These organizations generate billions of dollars in revenue each year and have a significant impact on local and global economies. The purpose of this video is to provide an overview of the economics of drug cartels. We'll examine their revenue sources, operational costs, and profitability. By understanding the financial side of these organizations, we can better comprehend the challenges faced by law enforcement and policymakers in combating the drug trade. So sit back, grab a notebook, and join us as we delve into the world of the economics of drug cartels. One of the primary revenue sources of drug cartels is smuggling drugs into countries. They use a variety of methods, including hidden compartments in vehicles, shipping containers, and even submarines, to bring their products into the market. This often involves crossing borders, bribing officials, and evading law enforcement. In addition to smuggling, drug cartels also generate revenue from the manufacturing and distribution of drugs. This can range from growing and processing cocaine in South America to producing and selling synthetic drugs in Europe and Asia. Drug cartels also use extortion and protection rackets to generate income. This involves threatening individuals or businesses for payment in exchange for protection from violence or harm. Finally, drug cartels use money laundering to conceal the proceeds of their illegal activities and make it appear as if the money came from legitimate sources. This can involve using offshore accounts, purchasing real estate, or investing in legitimate businesses. In summary, drug cartels have multiple revenue streams, including smuggling, manufacturing and distribution, extortion, and money laundering, that allow them to generate billions of dollars each year. Are you looking to take your business skills to the next level? The Art of Strategy, Business Lessons from the Most Notorious Bosses in TV and Film has everything you need to know to achieve success in the fast-paced world of business. Learn from the cunning and strategic moves of some of the most memorable bosses in TV and film, like Scarface, Tony Soprano, Gus Fring, Prop Joe, and Stringer Bell. Discover how these iconic characters navigated through complex and challenging situations and how you can apply their lessons to your own career. Get your copy of The Art of Strategy, Business Lessons from the Most Notorious Bosses in TV and Film today and start your journey to becoming a successful and effective business person. Check out the link in the description. Purchase this ebook at a one-time exclusive price. Drug cartels face numerous operational costs in their efforts to maintain and expand their operations. One of the most significant expenses is corruption and bribery. Cartels often bribe government officials, law enforcement, and military personnel to turn a blind eye to their activities or provide support. Another significant cost is violence and security measures. Drug cartels frequently use violence to protect their operations and eliminate threats, such as rival gangs, law enforcement, and informants. This can result in substantial expenses for weapons, security personnel, and other resources. The logistics and transportation of drugs and illegal proceeds also pose a significant operational cost. This includes the cost of purchasing and maintaining vehicles, boats, and aircraft, as well as the cost of fuel and maintenance. Finally, research and development is a cost that drug cartels must incur to stay ahead of law enforcement and technology. This includes developing new smuggling methods, improving the production of drugs, and creating new ways to launder money. In conclusion, drug cartels face numerous operational costs, including corruption and bribery, violence and security measures, logistics and transportation, and research and development, that eat into their profits and require significant investments. Despite the operational costs and risks involved, drug cartels are often highly profitable. In comparison to other illegal businesses, such as human trafficking or counterfeiting, the drug trade can be extremely lucrative due to high demand and relatively low production costs. However, the profitability of drug cartels is not constant and can be affected by a variety of factors. For example, increased law enforcement, changes in drug prices, and increased competition from rival gangs can all impact profitability. The impact of drug cartels on local and global economies can also be significant. In some countries, the drug trade can make up a significant portion of the economy, generating billions of dollars in revenue each year. This money can flow into the legitimate economy through money laundering and investments in legitimate businesses, which can have both positive and negative effects. In conclusion, drug cartels are often highly profitable, but their profitability can be impacted by a variety of factors, including law enforcement, drug prices, competition, and the impact on local and global economies. Despite the challenges, the drug trade remains one of the most lucrative illegal businesses in the world. In this video, we've explored the economics of drug cartels, including their revenue sources, operational costs, and profitability. We've seen that these organizations generate billions of dollars in revenue each year through a variety of methods, including smuggling, manufacturing and distribution, extortion, and money laundering. At the same time, drug cartels face significant operational costs, including corruption and bribery, violence and security measures, logistics and transportation, and research and development. Despite these costs, drug cartels can still be highly profitable, and their impact on local and global economies can be substantial. We hope that this video has provided valuable insights into the world of the economics of drug cartels. We encourage you to continue your research and stay informed on this important topic. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.